there, it's Victoria James, and I am really quick going to talk to y'all about the new foundation from Urban Decay. This is their new Face Bond foundation, and it is designed to self-set. It is waterproof, and it lasts 24 hours. It comes in 40 shades, and my shade is 33N. Comes with this no mess squeeze tube, and indeed, it is no mess. This builds to full coverage depending on how you apply it. So I'm using a brush today, but I have used their sponge, which applies light to light medium coverage. And then if you're using a brush like I am today, you will get medium coverage. And if you're looking for full coverage, all you got to do is use your fingers. Holy shade match, Batman. Get into it. That is downright amazing. It's already set down. For an everyday look, this is key because then you don't have to use powder. You don't have to worry about too many steps in your routine if you're just trying to get out the door, but you still want to look good. And they're not playing about this tube. I have a few different squeeze tube foundations. Whatever they did here, they did a thing. Lightweight, it feels like I didn't do anything. Totally the perfect medium coverage is just how I like it. Let's go ahead and do a little something else to the face, you know, just a little something, and then finish out. I love this. I think that this has fast become one of the front shelf girlies for me, and will probably be in my year-end favorites because of the way it wears. For me, this is perfect. If you're an oily girl, I think you're gonna love it even more. There's really no need to build. I mean, the first go round really just did it for me with the medium coverage. And so this thing has a lot of things working for it. This foundation, as far as the girlies on the go. You only need to put this on in one layer, depending on your desired coverage. Then you don't need a lot of stuff to follow up. It's also sweat proof, and I have tested that already. So y'all know what to do. It's linked already for you. Thanks for checking out this fabulous foundation with me, and I will see y'all later.